Hi, I'm Robert Schomer. This is Mike Palmer and Melinda Schomer. We're the three principals of Nightscapers. Kichler was the first product that we found to be viable, and at the present time is the only one that we found that has a full range of product available. We had the LED product become available from Kichler, which until that time, as I said, there was nothing really that we felt was workable, because either the color temperature was wrong, the cost was prohibitive, or both. Well, I can tell you that there has been some skepticism in the marketplace from contractors in general about LED because of all the things that have happened in the past. They were skeptical about the viability of LED lighting and whether it really would save them any money. It's about $9,000 a year we've calculated that they're saving in bulb cost, maintenance, and electrical. We found that the new LED fixtures are also extremely more reliable. This fixture has an approximate lifespan of 40,000 hours, which eliminates the annual bulb replacement normally required with a halogen system. Additionally, the reliability is significantly greater because there's no filament to break inside the fixture itself, as there is in a halogen bulb. There is less wire used, and you could possibly use, in some instances, a lower gauge of wire because it's not necessary to use the thicker gauge wires that we use for halogen lighting. And also there's less transformer to install. One of the great advantages of the LED system is the reduction of transformers. This particular location only requires one 300-watt transformer for the entire section. On the project we've been reviewing, the Jacaranda Lakes total project would have required over 15 transformers had we used a traditional halogen system. No, voltage drop is not eliminated. There's still voltage drop, and you have to take that into consideration. However, with a halogen system, you need to be we like to be between like 10.8 volts to around 11.5 volts, just to keep it. We use a narrower range than even is recommended because we want to make sure that the halogen system is operating effectively. Whereas with the LED systems, it's 9 volts to 15 volts is an acceptable range. So it's much easier to make sure you're in an acceptable range than it is with halogen. We can save on the energy costs. There's 75% less electrical use, and it's the same warm color. Well, the initial job would have been over 15,000 watts if we'd have used halogen, and we reduced it down to around 4,000 watts, so it's a significant reduction. It's about $9,000 a year we've calculated that they're saving in bulb cost, maintenance, and electrical, so it's a significant amount of money. They were so pleased with what we did when we did the initial installation, they had us add some more fixtures. In 2009, we have not sold one single halogen system. It sells itself.